Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Here we have one rational equation with different numerators in left hand side. If we will add these two numbers, we will get 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. So we have constant difference between the constant written in the numerator and denominator. So to convert these different numerator fractions into same numerator fractions, we need to take this minus 4 to LHS, and plus 4 can be written as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So we will write our equation 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 over x plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 over x minus 2 plus 1 plus 9 over x minus 4 plus 1. And in RHS we will write x square plus 5x. Now we will take LCM over here, over here, over here and over here. We will get 1 plus x plus 4, which is x plus 5 in the numerator, and denominator is x plus 4, plus 3 plus x plus 2, x plus 5 over x plus 2 plus 7 plus x minus 2, x plus 5 over x minus 2 plus 9 plus x minus 4, x plus 5 over x minus 4 equal to x is common. In the bracket we will get x plus 5. Now we have common numerator x plus 5 in LHS, and we have x plus 5 expression in RHS also. So we'll take all the terms to LHS and we'll take x plus 5 common. We can write equation x plus 5 is common. In other bracket 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 minus x equal to 0. Now we will be using product 0 rule. So we will write either x plus 5 equal to 0 or 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 equal to x, or minus x equal to 0. Now from equation x plus 5 equal to 0, we will get first real solution. Let me write here, if x plus 5 equal to 0, by subtracting 5 both sides, we will get first real solution, negative 5. Now we have second equation, 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 4 equal to x. Now we will write first and last term all together. So 1 over x plus 4 plus 1 over x minus 4. Second term and second last term all together, x plus 2 plus 1 over x minus 2 equal to x. Now we have to take LCM over here. So in denominators, we will write x plus 4 times x minus 4 over here. And in numerator x minus 4 plus x plus 4, we will get 2x. Plus in denominator, we will get product of both x plus 2, x minus 2, and in numerator x minus 2 plus x plus 2 will be 2x equal to x. Now we will take all the terms to LHS and x is common. In denominators, we will apply a plus b times a minus b formula, and we will write over there a square minus b square. So I will write here 2x over x square minus 4 square, which is 16, plus 2x over x square minus 2 square, which is 4, minus x equal to 0. Now we will take x common out. So we will get x in bracket 2 over x square minus 16 plus 2 over x square minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Again, by using product 0 rule, we will get either x equal to 0 or 2 over x square minus 16 plus 2 over x square minus 4 equal to 1. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So we will write equation 1 over x square minus 16 plus 1 over x square minus 4 equal to half. Now we can consider x square, suppose equal to a. So we will write 1 over a minus 16 plus 1 over a minus 4 equal to half. Now we'll take LCM over here. So we will write a minus 4 plus a minus 16 in the numerator, and in denominator we will get a square minus 20a plus 64 equal to half. Now a plus a is 2a, minus 4 minus 16 minus 20. So in numerator we will be writing 2a minus 20. In denominator we have a square minus 20a plus 64 equal to half. Now we will cross multiply. So we will get a square minus 20a plus 64 equal to 2 times 2a minus 20. Let's write here a square minus 20a plus 64 equal to 2 times 2a minus 20, which will be equal to a square minus 20a plus 64 equal to 4a minus 40. Write all the terms to one side. We will get a square minus 24a 64 plus 40 104 equal to 0. So this is one quadratic equation which we will be solving using completing the square method. So I need to take this 104 to the RHS first. So we will write a square minus 24a equal to negative 104. Coefficient of a is minus 24. Half of minus 24 is minus 12. Square of minus 12 is 144. So we have to add 144 to both sides. Now LHS will become a minus 12 whole square. And in RHS we'll get 40, which can be written as 4 times 10. Now we will take a square root both sides. So I will write a square root a minus 12 whole square equal to plus minus sign square root of 4 times 10. Square root and square will get over. We will write a minus 12 equal to plus minus sign 2 square root 10. Now we will take minus 12 to the RHS or add 12 to both sides. We will get a equal to 12 plus minus 2 square root 10. Now a was x square. A was our substitution. So I will write here x square equal to 12 plus minus 2 square root 10. We'll take square root both sides once again to get the value of x. So I will write here square root. I will write here square root with plus minus sign. Square root and square will get cancelled out. We will write here x will be equal to plus minus sign square root of 12 plus minus 2 square root 10. So here we have 4 real solutions. And we have x equal to 0 and x equal to negative 5. So in total we have 6 real values of x which will satisfy our equation. So I can write here 6 solutions are here: 0, negative 5, plus minus square root 12, plus minus square root 2, square root 10. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.